Considered to be one of the most frequently browsed topics on the internet, the study of homesteading is here to stay. There's an incredible desire to return to our roots, and in this emphasis, that is exactly what we'll be focusing upon. Many of our classes will be taught in an outdoor setting at the beautiful Symbiosis Ranch. Individual classes include soil preparation, animal husbandry, crops and foraging, food preservation 1, 2, and 3, biodynamic gardening, seed saving, companion planting, meat butchering and preserving, fences and shelters, rotational grazing, permaculture, working with the angelic elemental realm, living off the grid, cordwood buildings, cob ovens, and heating sources. For certification in homesteading, the required core classes are biology, nutrition, elements of man, food as medicine, field herbology, and the making of herbal medicine. Food as therapy and herbal adventures are also included. From there, we will apply this knowledge in a way that allows students to feel empowered and ready to implement their training in a small home, neighborhood, like-minded community, family farm, or even larger undertakings.